Welcome to the I am learning English. This is my first video that I'm recording myself as a learner. I want to say that, and I can clear each and everyone that I'm here to learn English itself, myself. As you can see that I am making mistake right now, but it doesn't matter that I can demotivated myself or I will not record my audio. No, dear friend, you have to learn English, and if you want to learn English, you need to make mistake. If you want to, when you try to learn something, you will make mistake, and it doesn't mean what I'm saying. I don't know, but I'm just trying myself that it's my first video, and the main thing is that uh, to learn English from daily life. That's why my channel name is I am learning English. So I just want to say that as you can see in India, who belongs to village, the villager boy are always stuck in their English because they don't get environment to learn English. I can say that uh, I was in CBSC board. I was studying. I studied in English medium school, but I'm just surviving myself to speak English because the environment was not good, guys. But I can say that the at that time when I was in school, at that time I remembered lots of vocabulary. So while I'm speaking, I'm just stucking myself to think in English. But currently I'm not focusing in I'm not focusing like I would say I'm not thinking in Hindi and translate into English. I'm just making mistakes. I'm just stucking myself. I'm just stucking in speaking English, but I'm continuously I'm trying to speak without thinking in Hindi. I'm just continuously making sentences in English. So you guys learn with me. I cannot say that you can learn with me because I'm just learning. But when you belongs to a village and you want to learn, so you can listen this video, and you can think about it that you can do this what I'm doing, because mm, I think I am making lots of mistake in speaking, but when you listening my video, and thereafter you can notice that I'm making some sentences perfectly, which is grammatically good, but most of the sentences are not good. So I'm not demotivating myself that I can forcefully stop myself. No, brother, I'm here to learn myself. I'm here to grow myself. Everyone is growing. Everyone interacting with the world through English language. But I'm stuck in. You know what, guys? It's been many years. It's been 12, 15 years that uh, uh, I left my school in 2020. I left my school in 2014, and thereafter, after 2014, I was joined English spoken classes, but in a few months I had left. But thereafter, due to higher studies, I was in competitive exam, and in competitive exam I had taken accounts field, so I didn't any it was not necessary to speak English. Yeah, my written is good. I can write good. My vocabulary, some of my vocabulary is good, and you will notice that my pronunciation is not good. It's very bad. It's very bad. But it's the first day that I'm trying myself, so I will uh, correct myself one day. So I think this video will long, but I don't want to make it longer because you will bore about it. But I hope you will enjoy my tuta fura English that I'm trying. So please keep in touch with my video, and we'll meet in next day. So this is the first video, and I'm trying to I will try 100 days challenge that I can speak good, and I can speak fast, and thereafter I can improve my pronunciation every day. So bye bye everyone, and keep learning, keep trying, and remember your vocabulary two or three in every day. So we'll meet tomorrow. Bye bye. And the most important thing, please, if you like the video, I don't think you can like, but still I'm hoping that if you like the video, please subscribe the channel to learn every day and grow yourself. Thank you.